Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to clean your storage on your Windows devices. So this is a basic tech tip. Everyone should know this tip. It just helps you clean your local disk. So as you can see right now, my current disk space is 239 gigabytes free of a terabyte SSD. So the first thing we're going to do is press Windows R on our keyboard, and this opens a run program. From here, we're going to type in %temp%, just like this. Now we're going to click enter or click OK. This will then open a file manager, and as you can see, we're in the path of app data, local, and temp. So these files are temporary files created by Windows and apps that can build up over time, and they're fairly useless. These files are just pre-files for installing updates or just installing the app in general. So we're going to press Ctrl A to select them all, and as you can see, it's 4.47 gigabytes on my storage device. That's quite a bit of storage, and we can free that up for absolute free, and we don't need to buy another external drive to get more storage. I know it's not a lot, but it may be heaps for you. I clean this regularly. So from here, we're just going to delete all of these temporary files, and if you get this screen, just select do this for all containing files or current files, and then just skip it, because it just means these temporary files are still needed, and you don't need to worry too much about those. And as you can see, now my temporary files are only at 288 megabytes. Boom! But you may notice it still says there's only 238 gigabytes free. That's because it went into the recycling bin. So from here, we're going to empty out our recycling bin. So now I've successfully emptied my recycling bin. As you can see, we just gained the 4 gigabytes of storage. Awesome! There's still one more temporary file, folder what we can clean. And that's Windows R, and then type in temp, and we're just going to press enter again, and boom! As you can see, we're in another directory. This is pretty much the same as the regular temporary files. So from here, we're just going to click onto properties, and this one's only 431 megabytes. But it's still storage, so we're going to delete these temporary files as well. Now we're just going to empty out our recycling bin again, and boom, it's that easy. I hope I explained good enough, and that's your boy Popeye, and I'm gone. Peace!